Okay. This video is dealing with TCS wowsound and how to calibrate it so it runs pretty much prototypical and sounds good doing it. Now, this one I bought it a while back. It was already, the person that sold it to me had the TCS wowsound, the motherboard with the keep alive and the wow decoder already in it. It's 101, and out of the box I'll show you what it does as far as if you try to notch it up. This will be the first notch. Sorry, the track's a little dirty. On the first notch, it shouldn't be revving up that high just to move unless you're pulling a train full of cars full of oil. That second notch. So that's not what we want. Back a little bit. And it does have momentum on it, so when I stop, it's not going to stop right away. So I'll stop. And 0, and it goes the other way. Speed matching with TCS is pretty easy. It's a two-step process. The hardest thing for me was making sure you hit the number 8 4 times in a row without going into light or sound mode. But once you get it, you'll be in audio assist. You won't be able to miss it because it'll tell you. So when you put it in reverse, and I hit 8 4 times quick.
Night mode. Welcome to audio assist.
All right, got it on the first try.
Use button 1 to hear the sound programming
So you can
options.
change the
Use button 2
prime
to
movers and
hear the
everything.
lighting programming options.
Change your lighting.
Use button
And here's
3
ours.
to hear the motor control programming options.
So I
Use
hit 3.
button 1 to do speed matching.
I don't want to
Use
speed
button
match right
2
now.
to calibrate your locomotive for prototype throttle operation.
And that's what we want.
Use
So
button
I hit
9 to return to the previous. Calibrating is a two-step
So
process.
button 2.
At any time, you may use button 9 to return to the previous menu, or press 0 to exit audio assist. To
Okay,
get
so when we're done,
started,
we're gonna hit 0.
run the locomotive on a straight and level piece of track at about speed step 15 of 128
So we're
without
gonna go to
any
steps
cars
15.
attached. When you are ready, press button 1.
So we're going to go to 15. And I'm at 15. It cuts out the sound pressing button 1.
Please wait. Calibrating, please wait. Step 1 complete. Next, run the locomotive. Step 1 complete.